a huge improvement of my new Samsung phone over my previous phone as far as cleaning up the device is under the device maintenance tab. I used to have to delete cache manually and stuff like that. Check this out. This is doing a performance check of the phone, and then you've got your battery down here, storage, RAM, etc. I'm going to click on storage and just see. Check this out. It can clean up your storage for you automatically. Man, I love this feature. Unnecessary data, cache data, residual, and advertisement files. Definitely want to get those out of the way. Man, Samsung is just so on the ball with this stuff. Automatic cleaning up. 37.5 has been cleared. You guys definitely want to get on top of this stuff for keeping your phone in good health. Or you can just press this optimize button right here and it's going to clean up all this. But first I just want to show you what this is doing. Clicking on the RAM, which is the random access memory, that's the phone processor's memory, not the SD card memory. Clean your device's memory, stopping apps from running in the background. A lot of this stuff will come back as apps are running, but cleaning that memory. All right, so let's go back to this one. 100% excellent. Or I could have just clicked the optimize button and that would have done it for me. Man, what a great feature. Thumbs up on this one, guys. Huge improvement over manually deleting cache. I've shown videos on how to do all that stuff in the past, but all those videos that I did a couple years ago on this topic that have gotten me literally hundreds of thousands of views are now pretty much obsolete, because this stuff is baked into the new products. Device maintenance tab, go under settings. Keep your phone running fast and really easy. One button fix. Thanks for watching, guys. Check back soon.